Hello kids, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. Kids, today ma'am will teach you A sound words. जैसे मैम ने आपको लर्न करवाया था ना फोनिक्स में ए बी ब, इनको भी आपको ऐसे ही फोनिक्स में लर्न करना है. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. A sound words. Speak A sound words. C at cat. Speak once again. C at cat. B at bat. B at bat. R at rat. R at rat. M at mat. Speak. M at mat. P and pen. P and pen. K and can. Speak. K and can. M and man. Speak with me. M and man. F and fan. F and fan. So kids, now practice this at your home. Okay? Bye. Take care all of you. Miss you all.